Hello everyone, this is Blessing. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me here today. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your deep conditioner at home using the aloe vera leaf powder. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. On this channel, I talk about natural hair products, DIYs, how I grow and maintain my natural hair and that of my daughter. I will also be making some simple food recipes. So here are the products for the deep conditioner. I've got the aloe vera leaf powder I purchased from Amazon. I will put the link down below. Aloe vera is a great conditioner for the hair and stimulates hair growth. So next, I'm adding Shea Moisture Conditioner for kids because I'm applying this treatment to my daughter's hair. You can add any conditioner of your choice. As you can see in the video, I had to cut the bottle to scoop out the remaining conditioner. You can add as much as you want depending on your hair volume. Next, add organic honey as it is a good moisturizer for dry hair. It increases the shine and helps to get rid of impurities in the hair. Then add your avocado oil. Avocado protects hair from damage, preventing breakage, and also helps to detangle the hair. Lastly, I added my homemade fenugreek oil. Fenugreek has a lot of amazing benefits. If you want a good and healthy hair care regime, just add fenugreek to your hair care and you will be amazed by the results. It prevents hair loss, makes the hair soft, shiny, and gives it volume. You can get this from your local shops or Indian shops. Later in the day, I'll be applying this deep conditioner to my daughter's hair together with the aloe vera gel I made earlier. Click on the card on the top right corner of the screen to watch the video. That's all for today, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have a different method on how you make your conditioner. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.